Those are two tweeters. Is an actual grand piano. Look at that. How many octaves? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright guys, so now I'm currently in my car heading for Yamaha showroom. And yeah, I'm really excited and nervous, the feeling when you get something new. So yeah, I'll see you at Yamaha showroom. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so now we're here at the parking lot. Now we're at Yamaha's showroom. It's really cool actually. Alright, now we're gonna go upstairs. Oh my god, there are just so many. Oh. Nice feelings and all. Alright, so yeah, there's so many. Oh, that's a face. See this right now, guys? Oh my god, these are one of the most ones that they use for, rock. And now we're gonna go to the piano. Yeah, this is really pretty. Oh, this is the one with the foot pedals. Alright. Oh my god. Those are some of the acoustic. And then we have the upright pianos. This is A. These are full-size pianos. They start from A and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They have 7 octaves. Oh my god. That's so high pitched. I wonder what's inside, but yeah. Let's try next. Is this our tune? I don't know. Yeah, sort of. Oh my god. Alright, so this is the DJ. Oh my god, there are loads of speakers here, man. Nice. Those are two tweeters and a nice subwoofer. There are two sets of them. Kinda cool. Already have some more acoustics. And this is an actual grand piano. Look at that. Holy. Let's try playing. How many octaves? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Same octaves. Let's see the highest pitch. Maybe see maybe this one. Yeah. This is so cool. Alright, next we have drum set. nice.
Thank you.
Yeah. So speakers and amplifiers. Nice. A small piano. This is probably another cello thing, I don't know. This is another speaker, another speaker, another. Ooh, we got finally a big subwoofer. And that's kind of really cool. Alright, next we have, oh my god, I've never seen these new amplifiers before. Some bookshelf, and look at that. Some of the heaviest equalizers I've ever seen. Alright. Oh my god, we have some here. For some reason it has a B here. I can't believe it. It starts with a freaking E. A full-size piano, but it's reversed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 octaves. So that's so like crazy for me. All right, now we're here. We got the i500. Let's. Oh, it doesn't turn on. Whatever. Anyways, it starts with a C, as you can see, and also ends with a C, which is normal. I have quick sampling, this, and the master volume. Anyways, so we have the demo, knob sign, and everything. Next, we have the PSR i400. Yeah, this is really cool. Same thing, and then we have another one of that. That's kind of cool. This is the PSR E360MA. Alright, now we have another one, EW310, which starts with an E and ends with a G. I have no idea why, but we still have the same thing, but it's 425, which is kind of cool. And oh, this is like, you know. And now we have the E373, which is standard, nice. Next we have, oh, it has just a normal, thingy, like a standard. So we have a small 1, 2, 3 octaves, and the same but a bit black. Alright, so now in all of these, I kind of think the best one is this one. I choose it. So now let's unbox it. Alright, now the hearing. Alright, so place here. Okay, that's the power adapter here. We need that, of course. Yeah, and this is for the books you wanna, the books you wanna keep. We also have the manual here. It looks like we can connect it to a computer. And that's the actual piano itself. Oh my god. Wow. Alright. Nice silver color, man. Alright guys, so they have set it up. Now we're just gonna power it on. Oh my god. That looks so cool. Alright. It seems to be nice. It has the Tobla controls here. So it starts with C and also ends with C. A nice silver color here. Alright guys, so now that we've seen how it is, we're gonna go to the counter and buy it. Here.
Here. Thank you.
Alright, now let's go back.